Hello, Croeso no, welcome back. Do you like the shirt? It's a Wales football shirt, and you can see it's got a number on the front there, 84. Now that's not how old I am, that's the year I was born, you see. And at the back, got to show you the back. Busy Andy, that's me. Well, I'm in a great mood today because it's raining. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm a big fan of the rain. It's my favourite weather. You know, when it was hot and sunny, brilliant. But I'm not going out for a walk in that, no way. Give me the rain, however, and I will go out for a walk at the drop of a hat. Don't give me an umbrella, no way. Just get me outside and get me drenched in the rain. Love it. Well, hi. How are you? How you doing? Today we're going to sing a song about crocodiles. We're going to sing it in Welsh. We're going to sing about 5 crocodiles. So before we start, can we count to 5 in Welsh? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Da iawn. Very, very good. Well done. Now, I'm going to give you some facts about crocodiles. But before I do, I should probably explain where I am. I'm sitting on a bridge. Usually, I'd sit in the field over there. But because it's raining, I don't want to get my microphone or my camera wet. So here on the bridge, we have a cover of some trees, so I'm going to keep my equipment nice and dry. That's why I'm sitting here. But back to the crocodiles. Let's give you pimp facts about crocodiles. Fact number 1. Now, you probably noticed in a crocodile's mouth they've got really sharp teeth. They can have nearly, well, actually sometimes over 100 teeth in their mouth. And you know how we get a bit older and our teeth wobble and fall out and then we grow new teeth? Well, crocodiles do that too. But they can do that not once. They can do that 50 times in their lifetime. So over their whole life, a crocodile might grow 4,000 teeth. Oh my goodness. Now they need all of those teeth. And they're quite sharp because a crocodile, fact number 2, is a carnivore. Now, carnivore means meat eater. So carnivores like to eat meat, and crocodiles eat meat. The other animals, really. They sometimes eat fruit, but those sharp teeth are there to help them eat meat. Now, fact number 3, also about their mouth. Sometimes you'll see a crocodile lying down with its mouth open wide. Now, it's not waiting for its dinner. You see, now dogs do this when they get a bit hot. They go and they pant. We see crocodiles don't sweat like many of us have been doing over the last few days. So to keep cool, they hold their mouths open wide to let the heat out that way. Interesting fact about crocodiles there. Another fact about crocodiles is those jaws that snap closed on their food. Do you know what? They've got a really, really powerful bite to chomp down on their food. In fact, you look at a great white shark, a crocodile's bite is 10 times stronger than that of a great white shark. So you imagine 10 sharks nibbling at you. That's one crocodile. Oh my goodness. But the last fact about crocodiles I'm going to tell you about is the opposite. They're strong chomping down, but to open their mouths they have a very weak set of muscles to do that. So it's very easy to hold on to a crocodile's snout. And they can't open their mouths. Can't open my mouth. Don't try that though, because they're very, very dangerous animals. Well, today we're going to sing about 5 crocodiles, and they're going to go swimming in the river. It's called Pum Crocodeil, Nofio yn afon. Pum Crocodeil, Nofio yn afon. And I'll put the words up on the screen so you can sing along. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pum Crocodeil yn nofio yn yr afon. Pum Crocodeil yn nofio yn yr afon. Nofiodd un y dan o dŵr. Dim ond 4 sydd ar ôl. 4 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. 4 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. Nofiodd un y dan o dŵr. Dim ond 3 sydd ar ôl. 3 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. 3 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. Nofiodd un y dan o dŵr. Dim ond 2 sydd ar ôl. 2 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. 2 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. Nofiodd un y dan o dŵr. Dim ond 1 sydd ar ôl. 1 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. 1 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. Nofiodd un y dan o dŵr. Does dim crocodile ar ôl. They've all gone. Da iawn, bendigedig, gwych. Very, very, very well done if you joined along. Well, I'm going to enjoy this rain because, like I said, it's my favourite weather. So I'm going to go and walk out into the fields now, maybe with a hood up. I'm not going to be totally crazy. Well, maybe I am. It's great seeing you again, and I'll see you again soon. Hwyl am y tro. Bye bye for now. Bum bum ba-dum, bum ba-dum ba-da-dum, rum bum ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.